Thank you. Thanks, Seth. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, in the past few weeks, my family has been through a lot. We witnessed joy, happiness, success, fear, sadness, grief, all in a matter of a few days. My father, who has always believed in doing good work, was recently attacked by unknown assailants. On that day, I just couldn't help but feel very alone. I was losing faith in people, in goodness in the world. Saw no point in all the hard work that people put in. Basically, nothing made sense. I just wanted to quit even before things had begun for me. But something changed all that. Something changed the way I thought. That day in the hospital, when you came, when I saw your faces, and in your own special way, you let me know that I was not alone, that I needn't ever feel alone again. You made me feel like a part of something big and strong. And it makes me so proud today to say that I am a part of this film industry. And I take this opportunity and this platform to thank all of you for your overwhelming love and support that you gave us, for your prayers that came to us at a time when we needed it the most, for reaffirming my beliefs, my belief in goodness, my belief in hard work. And I must tell you, the dad is hale and hearty. He's among us this evening. And what's more, he's already started working on his next project. And on top of that, he just let me know that I am starring in it. So, well, that's my reason to rejoice, my reason to celebrate, which is why I am up here this evening. And also to let people know that no matter how much some people might try and put us down, we will only rise. My industry will rise higher, it'll rise stronger. Because we people believe in only one thing and live by only one thought, that the show must go on.